Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Well, I have the Craftsman 227-piece SAE metric mechanics tool set with 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch ratchets, the bi-material comfort ratchets. I like to call them comfort ratchets because they are comfortable. So let's check it out. All right, well, I cheated. I looked through it at the store a little bit because some sockets and everything were already a mess. So this comes right off real easy. Made in Taiwan. Came out in 2020. So, full lifetime warranty. And then as I'm checking out, the cashier said, "Oh, do you want to add the warranty to it?" No. I'm okay. I think I'm okay with the lifetime warranty. So yeah. Anyway, it has 4 plastic latches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open it up. Kind of underwhelmed with the choice in wrenches. It has a 1/4, 3/8, 7/16, and 1/2. It is an 8, 10 millimeter, 11, and 12. That's all you got. If you're hoping for more, ain't gonna happen. I think this space is wasted on this. You could easily take these 4 wrenches and put them in one of the drawers, and some of the extra space I'll show you. They could have shifted around a little bit, and this could have been a workspace. When you go somewhere, open it up, workspace. Let's close it up. Now here, these two are really hard to open, usually. And your drawers are right here. Here's the 1/4 inch drawer. You have the ratchet. This is the main reason why I got this kit. Because the ratchets, if you buy all 3 of them, they cost $110 normally. This kit, $200 normally. When it's on sale, $100. $10 less. Get everything else, all the sockets, everything. Can't beat that. But anyway, it does have a lot of filler right here. About 6.5 rows of bits. Which, if you don't have any bits, great. If you do, you got a bunch of extra ones now. Then you have nut drivers right there. You put on the screwdriver. If you need them, they can be convenient. But if you have a bunch of toolkits like I do, it's same shit, different day. Anyway, and the deep wells right here, they're not bad. The chrome on them is nice. Very similar to that. Tiny bit of blemish right there. That's okay. A good variety of 1/4 inch. They're quick release. Not too shabby. I like the handle. Because I don't have that many ratchets with that type of handle. The screwdriver holder has the bit holder built in, which is nice. You don't have to have an extra socket looking piece to use the bits. Has just one tiny extension bar. So if you are out and about, need an extension bar, you're kind of limited. Alright, here's the 3/8 drawer. Not as many sockets, a lot of empty space here. Like this one, they could have shoved some sockets up here, put the wrenches here maybe, or I'll show you in the 1/2 inch right there too. But the wrenches I like, they are 72 teeth, which is nice, convenient. The chroming on that is nice. There's chroming on one kind of sucks. I'm going to have to bring that one back. Is this one able to be? Yes, it is. See if I can get in there. Yeah, it's really bad. It's like this was a socket from a set that messed up. They messed up and they decided to just throw it in because the chrome on the rest of these are nice. It has one spark plug socket, a 5/8, one tiny extension bar, no step down to convert this to use a 1/4-inch socket, which then at that point you can put this on there and then put the step down, then the 1/4-inch extension, then have a decent extension if you're out and about. Now the 1/2-inch drawer has the most room. So I think these could have sat like that in here, ran along here, and then you have plenty of room for the wrenches right there. And then the top part of the box could have been workspace. But it does have a lot of filler also with the Allens right here. It has those Allens and then these Allens, which these are, I mean, like if these were to bring the numbers up, those definitely were big time. And it has another short extension, which extensions are nice. Don't get me wrong, but you know, it would be nice maybe the 3/8 drawer to have another extension. And then to lock the drawers in place when you transport, just that's it. When you transport, it has a nice handle there. It is comfortable. They do use this box for other mechanics kits that have more or less, I think a 230 something piece kit. I don't know. I'll look it up and put it all over the screen. Not like the last video where I said I was going to put something on the screen. I forgot. Anyway, but that's the 227 piece SAE and metric set from Craftsman. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.